I wouldn't.
And then on top is zooming.
Oh.
Like a little more thing.
Yeah, dude. I think I do. Oh. Oh, this thing's got some serious zoom, dude. Yeah. Oh.
Your fingers on it.
Oh, oops. Dude, the whole video probably had that. You want to get it?
Yeah, I only drank beer shots out of like one shot last night, so I was good.
Oh, dude, that was. Maybe. Back. Population. Population 1. 300. Yeah. A what? Price? Yeah. That's it. Hear me out. What if, yeah, I was gonna say we could go down. What if it's like a gun store? Oh, no.
There's the stones. Oh, hell yeah.
Like your back is. I know.
Yo, I think this was an old pickleball court.
Shut up.
Yeah, the water looks amazing. I'm so glad I got a new phone for this trip. You found the cave?
Yeah. So this is like a. This is part of the fortress. Like that to the wall. Yeah.
Don't break it. Turn around. Look who it is.
It's the boy. Oh, hell.
Get down here. Oh, no! You're wet? Yeah. Stinky.
Is it?
It smells like bird poop.
Bird poop?
Yeah, no, I'm totally down for that. Oh, wow.
What's court?
Oh, now we gotta go inside.
Well, look at this guy.
Yeah, I could be down. I'm hungry. I was saying.
Gonna sell the sun.